Alright, finally got these fucking things put on. Been a long time in the works, but got the rears, which was kind of a fucking bitch, but they came out looking really good. Didn't really have any big creases or air pockets, ain't really anywheres. Came out nice. The front, I had to cut it down quite a bit and try to get it to fit all okay. But still, looks good. I think it's gonna look good on the bike. Not too shabby. Still got these two I gotta put on. And I'll do that on the bike when I get down there. That's for the lower fork guards, and that is for the headlight. And the tank that I just finished today. These were kind of a bitch. I had to trim them because they were one piece. I had to make them fit onto the shroud, cut the seam out, cut the two holes out, and then work it onto the whole fucking tank, which was fun. That one went on no problem, nice and easy. Here's the other side. Came out really nice. I'm definitely pretty pumped about it. Been wanting to have this kit made for a while and finally got it done and finally got it put on, so I think that was the last big thing I was waiting. Finish my 350X up. So pretty excited to get them mounted up, see how it looks. Now this whole kit was made by Scott, I can't pronounce his last name, at DDR Slat. That was an awesome job. He was good to work with and pretty much worked through it, the whole thing with me, and we got exactly what we wanted to do, so it worked out good. Alright, that's it for now. I'll have another one when I get it all posted and get the whole bike together, and we'll go from there.